What's good, YouTube? It is your boy, Mr. Top Heavy, and today I am going to be going over what we bring to camp to cook with. So right down here, we've got our kitchen box, as we call it, and we're going to go through it. I have not restocked this since our last trip, so there may be a few things missing. I don't really know, but this is typically everything that we bring with us, so let's get started. First, we're going to open it up. First thing we've got here is just like a tablecloth. We use this every once in a while depending on how the table looks. Next is going to be a bag full of different types of trash bags. So we've got small ones like this. And then we also have the big guys, like, you know, that you would use at home. Next, sort of microfiber cloths. We use this for drying hands, dishes, whatever. It's got a little clip. So you can just unsnap it, you can hook it on. You'll see sometimes we'll have it on our water jug, but we also use it for cooking and whatnot. So we've got a couple of those. These are from Amazon. Next, you've seen these, our mugs. Now you can use any kind. We bring these because they're not gonna break. They keep the liquid cold and warm pretty well. These are from REI, but you know, just any type of mugs. You know, there are collapsible ones. We just prefer the sturdiness of these, and so far they haven't been an issue. So we carry 2 of these for us. Always have our mugs. Next, we bring our own recycling bag. We'll just throw our cans in this, bring it home, and then recycle them once we get home. So we actually bring all of the cans that we have at camp, we bring them home with us, and we recycle them once we get back. This is got kind of our sauces and whatnot. So as you can see, we've got hot sauce, some seasoning, salt and pepper, and then just like a bag of Taco Bell and Heinz hot sauces. And then just back up disposable chopsticks. Some of these smaller hot sauces that have now been switched over to like ketchup and mustard. So we reuse the containers. This is just our little mini stove, so it comes in a little carrier sack. Squeeze, opens up, and then it's just the perfect size that you can keep a little thing of butane in it. So as you can see, it just fits right in there. Top goes on. So this is just nice to have. You can get your coffee in the morning without having to pull out a stove. It's not necessarily used for all of our cooking, but primarily just boiling water. All right, we'll just go to this one. This is a little bag right here, and this has packets of ketchup, mustard, relish. All right, speaking of ketchup, these are our hot dog skewers. 2 parts, so it's got the handle, as you can see, the handle, and then the dual prong, and then right here you can see it just has a hole and a little nub. Press that down and it just whoop, just like that. Just like that. Get your hot dogs going, s'mores, you know, pretty much anything you need to put over the fire. These will work, and man, these are just game changers for us. No cleanup. All you have to do is throw them on the fire, give them a few minutes, put them on a bun, you got dinner. Those skewers, great for camping. Here is this. This goes with this. These go together. This is what you attach to your gas. And if I can just, there we go. There we go. So that, you just screw this right on to your gas container, and you can put anything on top for cooking. This is from Amazon. This was super cheap. It's like 12, 15 bucks, something like that. We've got our larger gas canister. This is for the stove. We actually don't keep the stove in here. The stove is kept in a little compartment in the car. These are the utensils that we bring. We keep them in a sort of a little oven mitt. So there is a dirty spatula. This looks like it needs to be cleaned pretty well. We got a spatula. Then we got a pair of scissors for cutting. A silicone spatula. And then a little cheapy cutting knife. And then this. All right, and the big boy, this is the big guy. This is our cast iron. We bring this for the most part because it's just a good catch-all. You can do lots of things with it. It doesn't, you can do dogs, you can use it for eggs, you can use it for whatever. And then inside we carry our sporks. These are also dirty. Need to be washed. I'm gonna keep these out. And then we've got our plates and our bowls. So these are Sea to Summit. They pop up, fold down, very small. And yeah, so there's that. And then the bowls. So yeah, that's what we keep in the cast iron. So we've got some apple cider. We use this for our hot toddies at night. Add a little whiskey to these guys right here. And we've got a delicious hot drink. We also have sort of these liquid IVs. They help rehydrate after hikes. If you get hungover, drinking too many beers, you can have this in the morning. Speaking of the morning, instant coffee. Always keep the instant coffee with us. It's just easy. You open the packet, add some hot water, and you're good to go. Also have some oatmeal. These are kind of backups. Here is our hand and dish soap. It is the Dr. Bronner's. We get a big bottle, the big larger bottles, and then we just refill this as we need. But this is a nice non-toxic, environmentally safe soap, so we use this to wash our dishes and wash our hands. We just use it in moderation. One other, our tongs. Gotta have a pair of tongs for fire and grill and hot stuff, so just a standard pair of tongs. Okay, for the hot toddies, we stay with a little bottle of whiskey in here. I want to say this is like 4 ounces maybe, I'm not sure. Currently I believe in here is Elijah Craig Barrel Proof, somewhere around the 2021 batches, I don't remember which one. At the bottom, lighters, have these on hand. We've got a bag with, I think this is olive oil. It does look like it needs to probably be refilled, but bring in a little olive oil for any cooking. So these are our chopsticks that we bring with us. This one right here is kind of, you can come in 2 parts. So they just screw in together like this. And just screw in like so. And so now then, so So we've got these, and then in the other one, we've got them carabinered onto one another so they stay, is just a pair of standard. Let's see. We got wet ones. Blender bottle. What we've been keeping in here is eggs. It's got a little sort of metal ball inside. And that, shake it up. That's how you get scrambled eggs. Just a random dehydrated ice cream sandwich. Yummy, yummy. This is a cutting board on one side, and then it turns into like a basin. Wash dishes in if you need to. Keep that right down at the very bottom. And then we do have these, which you put over your food to keep bugs away. So just like this, and you just put it over. You get your little bit of food right there, and then you just put it over. So yeah, and then it just folds up, very small, very minimal. And we've got 2 of those. Definitely good to have for bugs. And here at the bottom, it just seems to be kind of some straggler stuff. Another lighter. Put that with the other stuff. Another towel. Tablecloth. And then some extra trash bags. We'll throw that in there. Here's a multi-purpose 50-gallon bag. And then it looks like this is a little piece of sleeping bag tape. That's everything that we keep in our kitchen box. Most of the stuff you see here we use on a regular basis almost every single time we camp. So if you see something that you don't think we need or you could substitute, let us know in the comments. Or if there's anything that you bring on your camping trips for cooking that we don't have in ours, let us know. Appreciate it. Thank you as always. Your boy Top Heavy out.